I'm bringing Malik Lemons. All right, Mr. Lemons, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, this is People versus Malik Lemons, case number SP11015802. Charges open alcohol in the motor vehicle as a driver. Mr. Lemons, can you state your name for the record, please?
Malik Lemons.
Mr. Lemons, I must inform you that you have a right to be physically present in a courtroom for this hearing. Do you want to continue today over Zoom, or would you like an opportunity to be physically in a courtroom?
Zoom.
All right, sir. Also on the call is defense attorney Philmandra Wilkerson. She's here to give you legal advice and negotiate plea deals on your behalf. Sir, would you like an opportunity to speak with her? If the court imposes a cost for her services, it would be no more than $25.
Yes.
Ms. Wilkerson, if you have the plea offer, are the people offering a delayed sentence on this or an amendment to passenger?
I actually didn't see Mr. Lemons' offer in there.
Mr. Goss, are you in the courtroom?
He stepped out of the courtroom.
Okay, so Ms.
Is
Wilkerson.
this a state charge, maybe?
It may be, but the typical offer is amended to open alcohol and
Passenger.
passenger, so I'll accept that.
Okay.
Let me see if there is no bond applicable, but there is a $45 license reinstatement fee. Mr. Lemons, I'll send you and your attorney into a confidential meeting room so that she can discuss your case with you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Hit join.
You said that was Lemons, Your Honor?
Yes, Malik Lemons.
Okay, I see it. What we're offering that person?
Passenger, open as a passenger.
Open alcohol? Okay.
Yes.
You don't have lemon files over there.
Have what?
Lemon file?
No, only have three.
Hello, can you hear me? Mr. Lewis?
Yes, Your Honor.
No, I'm sorry. It's another Miss, not you, Mr. Lewis, Mr. Clerk, but there's another Mr. Lewis
Oh, okay.
connected. Joe Lewis, can you hear me?
What's the about? This would be passenger. I will make that a passenger. Oh, she talking to him now about it. All right. You didn't write that up, or? You know what she was looking for me for? Well, I think that was.
Good morning, who's on the phone?
Yes,
Good morning, who's on the phone?
Jeremiah Otano Montes de Oca.
Okay, sir, I'll need you to go slowly. I did not catch your name at all. What's your first name?
I'm gonna say it in Spanish. Jeremías Otaño Montes de Oca.
Okay. I need you to spell your last name for me, please.
Otano.
Ogano?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have a case number, sir?
I have the ticket number.
Yes, what is that?
Started with a P like Peter. 1105 5659.
All right, give me 1 second to look you up, please.
All right.
One 1105659.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Clerk, do you see that?
I'm trying to boot up. My computer went down. I'm trying to boot it up now.
What?
Looking.
You talking to me, ma'am?
I feel like I'm missing a digit. Can you repeat it? Can you repeat the case
Start-
number?
All right, start with the P and then 1105659.
Okay. Yeah, Mr. Clerk, I'm not pulling that up.
It's SP on the front side of it. It might be a 1 on the end.
Yeah, there you go. That's what I'm missing probably. Okay. All right. You are scheduled in courtroom 218. You're in the wrong courtroom, Mr. Otano.
So how to get there? Cause
Here's the
how to
Zoom.
get?
Let me give you the Zoom dial in. Are you ready?
Yes.
It's 360
Okay.
1, strike that, 360-218 0000.
360-218-0000.
Correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ms. Wilkerson, are you ready? Let me bring your client back in.
I'm sorry. Did you hear me say yes? I was muted. I didn't even realize it.
All right, I'm bringing your client back in. All right, we're back on the record on People versus Malik Lemons. Counsel for arraignment purposes. May I have an appearance for the record, please?
Field Manager Wilkerson, on behalf of Mr. Lemons, for arraignment purposes, Your Honor, we would like to stand mute, waive formal reading, and allow the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
Court will recall any outstanding warrants, enter a plea of not guilty. How are you and your client proceeding?
Your Honor, Mr. Lemons would like to avail himself to the plea offer.
All right, Mr. Lemons, if you can raise your right hand, I will swear you in. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can lower your hand. And your name for the record?
Malik Lemons.
Mr. Lemons, it's my understanding you wish to waive your trial rights and tender a plea of guilty pursuant to the plea offer. Is that right?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you give up your trial rights, which include the right to have the prosecutor prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. You give up the right to testify at your trial, have witnesses appear on your behalf. You give up the right to be silent at your trial, not have your silence used against you. And you give up your right to an automatic appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
You understand that if you are currently on probation or parole, tendering a plea of guilty could impact your status. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything other than the plea offer to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Sir, I draw your attention back to August 1st, 2020, 10:58 in the evening. Were you the driver of a 2013 Chevrolet being driven in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Did you have in your possession a container that was open or where the seal was broken that had alcohol therein?
Yes.
Counsel, are you satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is well satisfied, will accept the guilty plea, will amend that to an open intoxicant as a passenger of a motor vehicle. Counsel, anything you would like to say on your client's behalf?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Lemons, anything you would like to say on your own behalf?
No.
Court will impose a fine of $25, mandatory court costs of $190, a $25 attorney fee. The Secretary of State has imposed a $45 license reinstatement fee. $285 is the total amount due. Mr. Lemons, are you able to pay that, or do you need community service for the court-imposed fines and costs?
I need more time.
How much time do you need to pay the $285?
About 2 weeks.
Okay, pay by the close of business on May 28th. 2021. You can pay it online at the 36th District Court website. You can pay via a DIV payment kiosk. There is one outside of 36th District Court, or you can pay over the phone. Do you need the telephone number?
I know I have it. Thank you.
Okay. Anything else, Mr. Lemons?
No, that's it.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Conclude your matter. Have a great day. Stay safe.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye.